Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with a new video on SQL series, that is combination of DML and DQL command. We are having select into and insert into. We will be watching that how to copy the data from one table to another table, and how to copy one table from one database to another database. All these things we will be watching into this particular video. So let's get started with the video. First one we are having is select into. This particular one is therefore copying the data from one table into a new table. Suppose if you are having a pre-existing table into your database, if you want to take out that data and want to push that data into some other table which is to be created on fly, that is only the process where we use select into. The syntax for which it is select star into schema name and then table name from particular table name. That means this particular one, this first table name, it is only going to be your new table name which will be created on fly, and this particular one will be the pre-existing one, this from which you are selecting from dbo.suppliers. This example we have taken it up here. So here you can see I have just taken this particular example which you were watching on the PPT. So in this we are having dbo.suppliers into our master database, which I will refresh it so that you can be sure what all tables it is existing there. You can see that there are these many tables existing over there. So what we want to do is we want to create supplier copy table which will be with this particular whole command, and the data will be taken out from the suppliers table and pushed into supplier copy table. Once we execute this particular command, you can see that it has been created, that table has been created. For that we want to just refresh it. Once the tables will be refreshed, you can see that dbo.supplier copy it is created over there. You can further recheck the columns and you can check the suppliers column as well. You can see those both are identical, and if you will select a star from this particular table, you will get the same data which is existing over into this particular table. So this is how we can copy one table data to another table. Now question come, if we want to copy one table data, that means if you are having a table pre-existing into your database, you want to take out that data from one table, from that particular table, and want to copy that particular data or table into some other database. Right now it was within the database, that was within the master database. Now what if we want to copy this particular supplier table into our this particular model database? Because we are having master database over here, then we are having model database, MSDB, TempDB, all these things. So in this model database we want to put, because we are having no tables over here, and we just want to take this particular table, that is supplier table, from it, and we want to copy that into the model database. For that what we are doing is we are just specifying the database name in front of our schema. That's only change will do all of your requirement. So what we are doing is we are specifying the database name over here, and from where to take that also we need to specify that it's need to be taken from master database. So the whole syntax is select star into the database name dot schema name and dot table name from where to be taken, from this particular database, this schema name and this table name. That's it, and then you are good to go. As you execute it, if you will refresh this table now, you will get it, dbo.suppliers, correct, the same one which is it is over there. So this is how we can copy one table data to another table data within the database or outside the database. Now we will move to another one, that is insert into. The usage is typically same, but in this particular scenario, insert into scenario, what it happens is, what you face real-time scenario is, if suppose you are having a table in which schema is same, that means database definition is same, or you may say table definition is same. That means if you suppose you are having a supplier copy table in front of you, and you are already having supplier table existing over there. Now this supplier table is also having the same table definition. That means it is also having the same number of column, same name of column, everything same. Only difference between supplier and supplier copy is, in supplier you are having data into it, in supplier copy you are not having any data into it. Now what you just want to do is, you want to take out some data from that, you want to put that into this particular supplier copy database, supplier copy table. To do this particular scenario, or to come up with the solution to deal up with this scenario, we are having insert into command, which will do what? This particular table will be pre-existing into your database, and it will put all the data from this dbo.suppliers into dbo.suppliers copy. So what we will do is, we will just truncate the table supplier copy. As soon as you truncate it, and if you select a star into this particular table, you will get no data, or you will get 0 data count from this particular table. So, right? There is no data over into the supplier copy table. Now, if you will do select a star into suppliers, definitely you are going to get many data, right? Now the problem statements is will remain same, that you want to copy the data suppliers to this suppliers copy. That means we want to dump the data from suppliers to suppliers copy. For that we will just query this insert into this particular table where it need to be dumped, and select a star from whatever table it need to be taken. So once it is getting executed, you can see that 3 rows has been affected. And if we will copy this particular one again and select this particular copy data, select the suppliers copy, you will get all the records are filled into this supplier copy table. So this is how you can go ahead with having copying data from one table to another table. And these were the famous scenarios with which you can come across into day-to-day project. So that was all about this video. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. If you found this video helpful and informative, kindly like to the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.